Okay, guys, we're having another question to solve for x, given that 3 to the x squared all over 9 to the x is equal to 81. Note that 3 to the x squared is not the same thing as 3 to the x out of this. That is not equivalent. Take them into consideration because this x squared, this true x. Okay. Hence, look at this question. We can all put in base of 3 because 9 is 3 squared. Each one is 3 to the power 4. Hence, you can have it as what? 3x squared all over 3 squared times x to the x is equal to 3 to the power 4. You can then apply laws of indices. Since you have all the 3 here, you know that a to the power m all over a to the power n, a to the power m minus n. That's what we have at this point. Hence, taking that into consideration, we are going to have 3x squared minus 2x. Okay, this is not x squared, no, 2x equals to 3 to the power 4. Okay, at this point now, we have everything we need to solve the equation. At this level, we can equate the powers to have what x squared minus is equals to 4, since we have the same thing on both sides. Hence, we use the law of indices. That will be ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0, a naught equals to 0. The quadratic formula. Okay. Hence, to solve for x is equals to what? Negative b, that is b, that will be 2, plus minus b squared, that will be 2 squared, minus 4, what's a? 1, c, 4, minus 4, okay? We have to bring this one here, we forget, equals to 0, so it should be in this format too. Okay, c is minus 4, this is our a, 1, b minus 2, c minus 4. Okay, square root of this all over 2 into 1. Hence, we are going to have what? 2 plus minus 4, we have 4 plus 16, that will be 20. Okay, that will be what? 20 all over 2. We also know that what 20 is equal to what 5 times, that will be 5 times 4, that will be equal to what 5 times what 4. Hence, 20 can be expressed as what? From sets, from the principle of set, we have 2 with 5 all over 2. Hence, our x is equals to what? 1 plus what 5 plus minus what 5. So we know what happened because 20 is 5 times 4, and you can have square root of 5, square root of 4, that will be 2 root 5. Okay, and we have this. Hence, we come to the end of this.